Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to display multiple databases in a single Notion page. If you've been trying to organize your workspace more efficiently or want to view different data sets side by side, this is a great setup to use. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to combine multiple databases into one clean view, making it easier to compare information and manage your workflow without constantly switching between pages. Let's get started. First, open the Notion page where you want to place your databases. This will be your main workspace where everything comes together. Now, let's add your first database. Type / to open the command menu, then type database. You'll see several options like table, board, list, or gallery. Choose the format that best fits your needs. For example, a table works well for structured data, while a board is great for tracking tasks visually. Once selected, Notion will insert a new database directly onto your page. With your first database in place, it's time to add another one. On a new line, type /database again. This time, instead of creating a brand new database, select Link to Database. This allows you to bring in an existing database from your workspace. Search for the database you want, then select it. It will appear right below your first one. At this point, you may notice that the linked database uses its default view. To customize it, click on Add a View at the top of the database. You can choose different layouts, such as table, list, or board, depending on how you want the data displayed. You can also apply filters, sorting, or grouping to focus only on the information that matters most. Once your new view is set up, you can remove the default view if it's no longer needed. Click the three-dot menu next to the view name and select Delete. This only removes the view, not the actual data, so your information remains safe and intact. Now repeat the same process to add more databases. Customize its view just like before. Maybe this time you want a board layout or a filtered view based on deadlines or status. After adjusting each database and removing any unnecessary views, your page will start to take shape as a centralized dashboard. You'll be able to see multiple datasets in one place, making it much easier to track progress, compare information, and stay organized. And that's it. By combining and customizing multiple linked databases, you can turn a simple Notion page into a powerful, all-in-one workspace. This setup is especially useful for managing projects, tracking content, or organizing personal goals. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or want to see more Notion tips, drop a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more clear step-by-step tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.